Welcome back to Passions Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. During this session, we're talking about expenses you can put through your business. Now, did you know that HMRC allows you to put through your mileage and fuel rates? So, if you have a car or van that has 10,000 business miles in the tax year, you can put through 45p per mile. And anything over 10,000 is the 25p per mile. And motorcycles and bikes are as shown on the screen. This is for cars that are your personal cars, but you're traveling for work. Additionally, you'll also be able to claim for any other additional costs that include things like your phone and your mobile, your internet bills, postage, stationery, printing, printer ink and cartridge, computer software your business uses for less than 2 years, and also software if your business makes regular payments to renew the license. Now, bear in mind, these are all allowable expenses you can claim as long as you use them in the business. In addition, you can claim things like rents, rates, power, and insurance cost. Now, if you need any further assistance, do speak to your accountant in terms of what you as a business are allowed to claim, because not everyone is able to claim these because they're not actually things that you use in your business. Another thing that people are not aware of is the use of home.